So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check if a YouTube channel that you are watching or a random YouTube channel is monetized or not. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have in here. You have to search for YouTube channel monetization check. You can see, just simply search it and open the second website that appear right in front of you. Now, once you open it here, you have to paste the link of the YouTube channel of which you want to check that is monetized or not. For example, let's just paste the link of Mr. Beast YouTube channel. And if I hit the check monetization button, it may take some time and give you the results. You can do the same process from your smartphones as well. And it may take some time and show you if that particular YouTube channel is monetized or not. You can do it with any of the YouTube channel you want. And here, when you scroll down, you can see it says Mr. Beast is monetized. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.